Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for real estate business. First, create a clear property chart of accounts and link bank and credit accounts. Set up classes or locations for each property and enable bank rules to automate categorization. Configure default tax and payment terms and add tenants as customers. Finally, verify opening balances so future reconciles and reports run cleanly for easier management. Manage rent and vendor transactions daily to keep books accurate and audit-ready. Create recurring invoices for rent, record payments promptly, and match cleared deposits to invoices. Enter vendor bills with categorized expense accounts for repairs, utilities, and management fees, and attach receipts or invoices. Run an aging receivables report weekly to track late tenants and create bank rules to reduce manual data entry and mistakes. Use QuickBooks reports to measure property performance and prepare for taxes. Run profit by property, cash flow, and balance sheet reports filtered by class or location to compare returns. Track capital improvements separately from repairs to ensure correct depreciation. Reconcile accounts monthly and pull vendor payment summaries for Form 1099 processing at year-end. Regular reporting reveals trends so you can optimize rents, reduce costs, and plan investments confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.